Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you love bold, vibrant eyes that last all day without smudging, you're going to want to stick around. I've been testing the Kiko Milano Super Color Waterproof Eyeliner in shade 5 Violet, a matte pencil designed for high coverage and long-lasting wear. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. The eyeliner comes as a smooth pencil with a deep, rich violet pigment. It promises intense color payoff with a waterproof formula, making it ideal for long days, sweaty workouts, or even a rainy commute. The matte finish gives a sophisticated, velvety look without any shimmer, perfect for both dramatic and everyday styles. When I tried it on, I found it glided effortlessly along the lash line, giving consistent coverage in just one swipe. The texture is creamy enough to apply without tugging, but firm enough to create precise lines. I wore it through a full workday and even a quick evening out, and it stayed put without smudging or fading, which is impressive for a pencil liner. Removal was straightforward with a standard makeup remover, but it held up well against water and sweat during wear. I love that this pencil balances smooth application with durability. The color is vibrant and truly stands out, making eyes pop without needing multiple layers. On the flip side, those with very sensitive eyes might want to patch test first, as waterproof formulas can sometimes be a little intense. Also, sharpening the pencil occasionally is necessary to maintain precision, which is typical for most pencils but worth noting. In terms of value, Kiko Milano products are generally mid-range, and this eyeliner feels worth the price for the performance and pigmentation it delivers. Compared to other waterproof pencils I've used, it's just as reliable as higher-end options, but at a more accessible price point. The packaging is sleek and practical, with a durable pencil casing that feels solid in hand. If you're looking for alternatives on a tighter budget, some drugstore waterproof eyeliners deliver decent results, though they may require multiple passes to achieve the same bold color intensity. That said, for anyone seeking a single-swipe, high-impact violet liner, this one is a solid choice. So, what's the final verdict? The Kiko Milano Super Color Waterproof Eyeliner in 05 Violet delivers vibrant, long-lasting color with minimal effort. It's perfect for those who want a standout matte shade that stays put all day. If bold, precise, and waterproof is your vibe, this pencil will not disappoint. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, beauties. You can find the link to purchase this eyeliner in the comments or description box. And if you've tried it already, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.